Welcome to Factory Outlet Trailers. When you stop down here, we want to find out what your needs are to make sure that we can get you the exact trailer that's going to work for you. So why do you need this 5x8 utility trailer? Again, it's almost springtime right now. A lot of people are thinking about cleaning up their yards, their acreages, their farms and things like that. This is the ideal trailer for that. It comes with 18-inch sides on it, so you're going to be able to load all your debris in there. If you're doing some landscaping, moving some topsoil around, it's an ideal trailer for that. It comes with a tie rail on top. Again, if you're going to be going to the dump, you have to be able to put a tarp on top of there. You can quickly tie that down. And again, at this time of the year, you're thinking about servicing your equipment, your lawn tractors and things like that. It comes with this drop-down ramp. Simply drive it, drop it down, drive on your lawn tractor, take it in, get it serviced. It's got tie-down rings in there as well, so you can easily and simply tie that down. When you're done work for the day, you can load your quad in there and head off to the hills as well, so it's a very good trailer for a whole bunch of multiple uses. Some of the really good benefits on this trailer, again, if you look on the sides here, on the front fenders, Scorpion rock guard, it's powder coated. Same thing on the front, we have Scorpion rock guard on the front, so that's going to keep your trailer looking fantastic for years to come. So again, come down to Factory Outlet Trailers, let me know what your needs are, and I'm going to find you the perfect trailer.